guys, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name's Arietta and today I am continuing to open my packages that I purchased from FGNormal, and these are two more items similar to each other, but they are items I have not seen anywhere else, and I'm really excited to see how they turn out. So we'll start with this one. I just peeked inside to make sure it was the right envelope. So let's have a look. Now, I love diamond painting, as you all know, and I also love paint by numbers. This combines both. I have no idea how it will work, but here we have a fairly standard partial diamond painting with the background left blank, but what we're going to be doing is painting the background. I'm just going to try and straighten this out a bit so that you can have a better look. The best way to do that is to just peel back the cover sheet and then push it back down again, and it just releases some of that sort of the curl tension from where it's been in a packet for so long. You can see already it's sitting a lot flatter. And we might not have such luck at the top because there is just less adhesive, but we'll have a go. Just straighten it out. There we go. And to be honest, once it's been sat under a pile of other paintings for a while or popped in a folder, it will be absolutely fine. So I'm just going to bring you down a little bit so you can have a proper look at the canvas. So the actual diamond painting section is 16 colours in round drill, and we've got these here. They're in the silver stripe packet, nice earthy tones. All looks fairly standard stuff. I'm not going to bother getting those all out to show you right now. The drill field is alphanumeric, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then it goes A, C, D, F, G, H, J, K. So very, very clear canvas. Should be very pleasant to do. And then of course we've got 6 colours for the background, which are acrylic paint. We get our flat brush and a round brush, and obviously standard boat wax pen kit with a few baggies. So for the paint by numbers section, we've got the numbers 1 through 6, and we'll just find the correct area on the canvas and then paint it in. I think this should provide a really nice middle ground. I love a good partial. So yeah, so this is, it's a 30 by 40. Do I have measuring tape to hand? Hardly ever these days. No, but I do have my ruler. Okay, so this is, oh, interesting. Right, yes, so it is a 25 by 35, so as is standard on these more budget kits from the sort of the cheaper companies, you lose a little bit around the edge because their sizing is for the whole canvas, not just the printed area. But it's a good size, will fit nicely into fairly standard frames. Price wise, this one, lady partial round drill, diamond painting and paint by numbers combined, standard price £12.99, currently on sale at £6.49, which is an absolute bargain. And honestly, you'd be mad not to give it a go. At that price, I don't mind testing out a new concept that I've not seen before at all. So on the website, they currently have 3 of these kits on offer, or available, I should say. There is the 2 that I bought, and then also one with a cow, which is sort of a floral design cow. So I went for this one because it was nothing I already have in my stash. I don't have a lot of landmark. Have any? Do you know what? I don't know if I've got any landmark canvases. This one. Oh, that's interesting. The first one, as you can probably hear, is quite a stiff, plasticky canvas. This one is much more akin to the paint by numbers canvases that I've done before. It is, as you can see on the back, an actual linen canvas. So it'll be interesting to compare the 2 and see how they differ. So in this case, we've got a lighthouse, a little cottage next to it on a hill. And then the paint by numbers section is the sky. This has more colours of drills. We've got 24 colours in this one. Again, round drill in the silver packets. So should be really good quality, shouldn't be a problem at all. And then for the painted area, we've got these colours for the sky, which is 6 colours. And again, just numerical codes for those. The drills are alphanumeric, there's no unusual symbols. I'll just bring you down so that you can have a look at the canvas. So you can see it's really lovely and clear. Because it's this linen canvas, it's incredibly soft. And as you can see, it's flattened out a lot quicker and easier than the other one. I'm excited to have a go at these. So what have we got? We've got a little bit of instructions on the side of this one. So yeah, it's all fairly standard paint by numbers stuff. I am very pleased with how these look. Again, size wise, I think this is probably the same. Yeah, well, 24.5 by 35. Yeah, so near as damn it. So that is my 2 canvases. I'll just move it out a bit more so you can actually see them. So that's my 2 hybrid canvases from FGNormal, which combine paint by numbers with diamond painting. I will pick one of these to get started with and post progress on my Instagram. That's the best place to follow me if you want regular updates of my progress with paintings. And then of course, once I've completed one of them, we'll be back here to do a post review. I'm really pleased with how these look. They look like great quality kits. It'll be interesting to see how the different types of canvas respond to being painted on. I have a bit more hope on this one, so we will see. In the meantime, if you've enjoyed my content, please do consider leaving a like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.